Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Toefl Ibt step by step. Start by choosing a realistic target score and a test date to build a focused plan. Begin each week with a timed practice section to gauge progress and adjust study blocks. Use a mix of reading, listening, speaking, and writing drills and track errors in a journal. Commit to consistent practice and deliberate review to turn weak areas into reliable skills for test day. Develop efficient reading and listening habits by timing your practice and refining note-taking. Read passages for structure and main idea first, then scan for details when answering questions. For listening, jot brief phrases for speakers, purpose, and sequence to recall key points. After each practice set, review every wrong answer and categorize why it was incorrect. This targeted feedback loop speeds improvement and reduces careless mistakes on testing. Treat speaking and writing as skills you can train through repetition and review. For speaking, simulate test conditions and record responses, focusing on clear structure and concise support for each answer. For writing, plan essays with quick outlines, write under a 20-minute limit, and edit for cohesion and grammar. Regularly compare your responses to high-scoring samples to pinpoint phrasing, example quality, and timing improvements to aim for consistent scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.